Welcome to a tutorial on how to create a gauge chart in OCTOBUS. Gauge charts are used to visually represent data within a specific range, much like a speedometer that shows progress toward a goal or the current status. OCTOBUS offers a gauge widget that can help you easily access and visualize this information. How do you set it up? Let us guide you through the simple steps to create a gauge chart in OCTOBUS. 1. Open the widget dashboard. Click Add Widget to Dashboard, then select Gauge Chart. 2. Set your data source. Define the asset type, asset, and measurement. In our example, we want to monitor the battery charge level for sensors measuring air quality, so we select the appropriate asset type, asset, and measurement. Click the Next button to proceed. 3. Customize the visualization of your gauge chart widget. Here, you set the values you want to display and assign each a color of your choice to make the data easy to interpret. 4. Apply the configuration to multiple widgets. If you want to apply the same configuration across several widgets, meaning you need information from multiple sensors simultaneously, select the assets and click Create. This action will generate multiple gauge chart widgets on the dashboard at once. 5. And here is our gauge chart dashboard. You can adjust the layout to suit your preferences and needs. Thank you for joining us. We hope you find this tutorial easy to follow and helpful. Stay tuned for more updates. For more information on OCTOBUS, please visit our website.